Leo the truck. Look, Leo the truck is driving on the playground. And this is a bus stop. I wonder what Leo will build today. Leo, unload the parts. Leo, will you build a bus?
Uh-huh.
How beautiful! Let's put passenger seats. The dashboard. The steering wheel. Wheels.
Mm.
2 doors. Tail lights. Headlights. Leo, what is missing? Of course, the roof.
Huh?
Can you find it?
Uh-huh.
It's not under the slide. And the swing is empty. The roof is in the sandbox. Leo, you found it. Now put the roof on the bus. Ready! Well done, Leo. The bus has arrived at the bus stop. Today, it will carry geometric shapes, parallelepiped, cylinder, and cone. The doors are closing. Have a nice trip, little bus. Until next time, Leo.